Hello guys, as you know I am Marisha Sharafat and today I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks on YouTube thumbnail designs. Thumbnails are the first thing that grab attention, and in this video I will show you how to make your thumbnail stand out and get more clicks. So make sure you watch till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. First of all, you have to open Figma, then from Pinterest select your background picture which should be related to the dollars and then arrange it in a proper way. Arrange its size. After that, you have to draw a circle. Then you see the dot in the middle. Then arrange its size and match its both corners. And then change its color to black. After that, go to the effect panel, choose the layer blur option and apply the blur effect to a circle. Then you have to make the circle bigger and arrange its size. After arranging its size, you have to reduce its opacity so that the background picture behind it become visible. After that, you have to take a picture from Pinterest, remove its background and place it on the left side. Arrange its size. Then you have to draw a circle on top of it. You have to change its color and then go to the panel again. Choose effect from the select the blur layer option. After that, you have to apply the layer blur and make it heavily blurred. Then you have to arrange it behind the picture so that the picture looks a bit bright and glowing from the back. Arrange its position. After arranging its position, you have to press Shift plus Ctrl plus K to select an image of a laptop with the background removal. Make sure to choose the laptop image that already have some graphs or design on the screen. After that, you have to select it and place it exactly on the left side of the artboard. After this, you need to adjust its size according to your thumbnail design and according to your niche. After arranging its size, go to the side panel and select the text font. After arranging its size, you have to draw a rectangle. After that, drag your text, then rewrite it while the mode on. After that, go to the side panel and change its color into red. Now you have to arrange its size. Adjust the size of everything according to your format so that you get a good layout. Now you have to draw an arrow that should connect with the move on box. For this, select the pen tool and arrange it properly. After that, double click and you will see the joints which you can use to arrange and adjust the arrow neatly. After arrange this arrow, go to the side panel and change its color into red. And then you have to click on dash, then your arrow will be created. I have to select the end point and the starting point of the arrow. Make sure only end point have the arrow. So finally guys, this was the final thumbnail design. You can see the end result here. Simple, clean and professional. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon too, so you never miss my further designs. See you in the next video. Till then, keep designing, keep creating.